Hello and welcome back to Mr. English Lovers.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
Please, if you like our video, help us by clicking like and subscribe. It means a lot to us.
Today, we're going to talk about something very exciting and maybe a little crazy. We're going to talk about Black Friday shopping.
So, Alex, have you ever been Black Friday shopping?
Oh, yes, I have. It was an adventure. What about you, Emma?
I went once, and I'll never forget it. It was absolutely wild.
Wild is the perfect word for it. So, for our viewers who might not know, what exactly is Black Friday?
Black Friday is the day after Thanksgiving in America. It's traditionally the biggest shopping day of the year. Stores offer huge discounts, and people go crazy buying things.
And it's called Black Friday because stores go into the black, which means they make a profit. They were in the red before, meaning losing money.
Exactly. Now it's become a global phenomenon. Many countries have Black Friday sales now.
That's true. Even online stores have Black Friday. Actually, online Black Friday is huge now.
So, Alex, tell me about your Black Friday experience.
Well, it was 3 years ago. I decided to buy a new TV. The advertisement said 50% off. I thought, perfect, I'll save so much money.
50% off is a great deal. What time did you go to the store?
This is the crazy part. The store opened at 5 a.m., so I woke up at 4 a.m.
4 a.m.? That's so early.
I know, but when I arrived at 4:45 a.m., there was already a line of people. A long, long line.
No way. People were there before you?
Yes, some people told me they had been waiting since midnight. They brought chairs and blankets.
That's dedication. They really wanted those deals.
The doors opened at 5 a.m. exactly, and Emma, I've never seen anything like it. People were running, actually running to the electronics section.
Running in a store? That sounds dangerous.
It was a bit scary. Everyone was pushing and grabbing things. I saw 2 women arguing over the last coffee maker.
Oh my goodness. Did you get your TV?
I did, but it was stressful. When I found the TV I wanted, I had to guard it. I couldn't leave it for even 1 second.
Guard it? Like a security guard?
Exactly like that, because if you walk away, someone might take it from your cart.
From your cart? People take things from other people's carts?
On Black Friday, some people do. It's like a shopping battle.
That sounds exhausting. How long did you stay in the store?
After getting the TV, I had to wait in line to pay. The checkout line was so long. I waited for 1.5 hours just to pay.
1.5 hours in line? That's longer than a movie.
I know, my feet were killing me, but I saved $300 on the TV, so I guess it was worth it.
$300 is a lot of money, but all that stress and waiting, I'm not sure if I could do it.
What about your experience, Emma? You said you went once.
Yes, I went Black Friday shopping 2 years ago, but I had a different strategy.
A strategy? Tell me more.
I decided to shop online instead of going to physical stores.
Smart. Cyber Monday, right?
Well, actually, many stores now start their Black Friday sales online too. So I woke up at midnight when the sales started online.
Midnight? So you didn't sleep?
Not much. I had my laptop ready, my credit card next to me, and a list of things I wanted to buy.
Very organized. What were you shopping for?
I wanted to buy Christmas presents for my family. I thought Black Friday would be perfect for getting good deals on gifts.
That makes sense. How did it go?
Well, it started well. I found a nice watch for my dad at 40% off. I quickly added it to my cart.
Great start.
But then, when I went to check out, the website crashed.
Oh no, too many people shopping at the same time?
Exactly. Everyone was trying to buy things at the same moment. The website couldn't handle it.
That must have been frustrating.
Very frustrating. I kept refreshing the page. Finally, after 15 minutes, it worked again. But the watch was sold out.
Sold out in 15 minutes? That's crazy.
That's Black Friday online. Things sell out in minutes, sometimes seconds.
So, did you manage to buy anything?
I did. I learned my lesson. The next item I wanted, I checked out immediately. Don't browse, just buy.
That's a good tip. Buy first, think later.
Exactly. I ended up buying a jacket for my brother, a handbag for my mom, and some electronics for myself.
Nice. How much did you save?
I calculated it later. I saved about $200 total. But I also bought things I didn't plan to buy.
Ah, the Black Friday trap. You see a good deal and you can't resist.
Exactly. I bought a robot vacuum cleaner because it was 60% off. I didn't need it, but the deal was too good.
Do you use the robot vacuum now?
Actually, yes. It turned out to be a great purchase. My apartment is much cleaner now.
A happy accident then. So, what do you think? Is Black Friday worth it?
I think it depends on what you need and how you shop. If you really need something expensive, Black Friday can save you a lot of money.
That's true. But you need to be prepared for the chaos if you go to physical stores.
Or the website crashes if you shop online.
Right. There's also something called doorbuster deals. Have you heard of these?
Yes, these are special, super cheap items that stores advertise to get people in the door, but they usually only have a few of them.
Exactly. Like a 70-inch TV for $200, but they might only have 5 of them in the entire store.
So people line up for hours just to try to get one?
Some people camp outside stores. They bring tents.
That's extreme, but I guess if you save $500 or $600, maybe it's worth one night outside.
Maybe, but you're not guaranteed to get the item. You might wait all night and still miss out.
That would be terrible. All that waiting for nothing.
Let's talk about some Black Friday vocabulary. Our viewers might hear these terms.
Good idea. We already mentioned doorbuster deals.
Yes, these are the amazing deals that get people rushing through the doors.
There's also early bird specials.
These are deals for people who come early, usually when the store first opens.
Flash sales are popular online.
Flash sales are very short sales, maybe just 1 hour or even 30 minutes.
Limited quantities is important to know.
This means the store only has a few of the item. When they're gone, they're gone.
Price match is useful too.
Some stores will match a competitor's lower price if you show them proof.
Rain check is less common now, but still exists.
A rain check means if an item is sold out, you can buy it later at the sale price when it's back in stock.
That's helpful. What about bundle deals?
Bundle deals are when stores sell multiple items together for one price, like a game console with 3 games.
Those can be good value. BOGO is another one.
BOGO means buy one, get one. Sometimes it's buy one, get one free. Sometimes buy one, get one 50% off.
I love BOGO deals. Retail therapy is a fun phrase too.
Retail therapy is when you shop to make yourself feel better. But be careful on Black Friday.
Very careful. You might need actual therapy after seeing your credit card bill.
So true. Speaking of credit cards, let's talk about Black Friday shopping tips.
Yes, let's help our viewers shop smart.
First tip, make a list before you shop. Know what you want to buy.
And stick to your list. Don't get distracted by other deals.
Second tip, set a budget. Decide how much you can spend total.
This is so important. It's easy to overspend when everything is on sale.
Third tip, compare prices. Not every Black Friday deal is actually a good deal.
That's true. Some stores raise prices before Black Friday, then lower them to normal and call it a sale.
That's sneaky. Fourth tip, read the return policy.
Yes, some Black Friday items have different return policies. Make sure you can return it if needed.
Fifth tip, shop with a friend if you go to stores.
It's safer and more fun. Plus, one person can stand in line while the other shops.
Good teamwork.
Sixth tip, wear comfortable shoes if you're shopping in stores.
You'll be standing and walking a lot. Your feet will thank you.
Seventh tip, bring snacks and water.
Especially if you're planning to wait in long lines.
Eighth tip, consider shopping online to avoid crowds.
But shop early online too. Good deals sell out fast.
Ninth tip, use apps to compare prices quickly.
Many stores have apps with exclusive deals too.
10th tip, remember, if you don't buy anything, you save 100%.
That's the best tip. A deal is only good if you actually need the item.
Let's practice some Black Friday shopping phrases.
Great idea. How do you ask about a sale?
You can say, "Excuse me, is this item part of the Black Friday sale?
Or what time do the doorbusters go on sale?
Do you have any more in stock?" is useful when things are selling fast.
Can you check if other locations have this item?
Is this the lowest price, or will it go lower?
Can I get a rain check for this item?
How about, are there any additional discounts if I open a store credit card?
Ooh, be careful with that one. Store credit cards can have high interest rates.
Good point. What's your return policy for Black Friday purchases?
Can you price match this competitor's ad?
Is this available for online ordering?
When does the sale end?
These are all very useful phrases. Now let's talk about Black Friday around the world.
Yes, it's not just American anymore.
In the UK, Black Friday has become huge in the last 10 years.
And Canada has always had it because they're so close to the US.
In Mexico, they have El Buen Fin, the Good Weekend, which is similar to Black Friday.
Brazil calls it Black Friday, but uses the English name.
China has Singles Day on November 11th, which is even bigger than Black Friday.
Singles Day is incredible. They sell billions of dollars of products in one day.
In India, they have similar sales during Diwali season.
Australia has started doing Black Friday sales too, even though they don't have Thanksgiving.
It's really become a global shopping event.
The power of marketing and good deals is universal.
But is it always good? What are the downsides of Black Friday?
Well, there's definitely overconsumption. People buy things they don't need.
The environmental impact is significant too. All that packaging and shipping.
Some workers have to work very long hours on Black Friday.
And it can be dangerous. People have been injured in Black Friday crowds.
There's also the stress. We talked about stress management before, and Black Friday can be very stressful.
The pressure to buy can cause financial problems too.
Some people go into debt buying Black Friday deals.
It's important to remember that saving money only matters if you can afford it in the first place.
Exactly. Don't spend money you don't have just because something is on sale.
Let's talk about alternatives to traditional Black Friday shopping.
Good idea. There's Small Business Saturday.
This is the day after Black Friday when people are encouraged to shop at small local businesses.
I love this idea. It supports your local community.
There's also Giving Tuesday.
Giving Tuesday is about donating to charities instead of shopping for yourself.
That's beautiful. It comes after all the shopping madness.
Some people do Buy Nothing Day as a protest against consumerism.
They refuse to buy anything on Black Friday.
There's also the option to wait for after Christmas sales,
Sometimes those sales are even better than Black Friday.
or just shop normally throughout the year when you actually need things.
Revolutionary idea. Shop when you need something, not because there's a sale.
It sounds simple, but it's hard when marketing is so powerful.
Very true. So, what's your Black Friday plan this year, Alex?
Honestly, I'm gonna stay home, drink hot chocolate, and watch movies.
That sounds perfect. No crowds, no stress, no overspending.
Exactly. Maybe I'll browse online for a few things on my list, but no pressure.
I think I'll do the same. Maybe look for 1 or 2 specific items online.
The key is being intentional, not impulsive.
Well said. Should we do a vocabulary review for our viewers?
Yes, let's review the key Black Friday vocabulary.
Doorbuster deals, the biggest discounts to attract customers.
Early bird specials, deals for early shoppers.
Flash sales, very short-term sales.
Limited quantities, only a few items available.
Price match, stores matching competitors' prices.
Rain check, buying an out-of-stock item later at sale price.
Bundle deals, multiple items sold together.
BGO, buy one, get one deals.
Retail therapy, shopping to feel better.
In the black, making a profit.
In the red, losing money.
Cyber Monday, online shopping day after Black Friday.
Small Business Saturday, supporting local businesses.
Giving Tuesday, donating to charities.
Great list. Now let's ask our viewers a question.
Yes, our question of the day.
Here's our question. Have you ever been Black Friday shopping? What was your experience like? Or if you haven't, would you like to try it?
Please share your stories in the comments. We love hearing about different shopping cultures around the world.
Maybe you have a similar shopping day in your country.
We read all your comments and learn so much from you.
Before we go, remember to like this video if you found it helpful.
And subscribe to Mr. English Lovers for more conversations like this.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing English with us today.
Remember to shop smart and stay safe if you're going Black Friday shopping.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.